It's official! Another adventure is up for sale. Flashier than ever after her time in the boatyard and refit over the last few months. When's the last time you've seen a boat with an arch like that? With 5 feet of overhang seating, you can dangle your toes in the water on the low side or ride your noble steed into stormy battle on the high side. Besides the fun stuff, the arch provides a sturdy davit system for your aluminum bottom AB with a 25 horsepower Yamaha. Looking forward into the very large cockpit, you can see excessive seating space. During the boatyard refit, the decks were sanded and completely stripped and then primed and painted. Windlass locker base was overhauled with all 2-inch mahogany, as well as the windlass was completely resealed. The far starboard companionway gives this boat a rather unique layout. As you come down inside, you see how wide open it is while still having handholds at waist level in all locations for offshore. Immediately to the left, you have the beautiful marbled floors of the aft cabin as well as the aft head straight across from it. As you can see, the cabin is quite spacious. Forward from there, you have the nav station on your right, and of course, most sailors' favorite part, the lovely liquor bar. Across from the nav station, we have the sink on an island with the engine located below for easy maintenance. And we look across the rest of the galley, we see there's another door to access the aft heads. Both heads are accessible from the salon and their rooms. Looking forward to the entertainment area, you see we have the flat screen on the wall and plenty of dining and seating areas. All headliners are in good to excellent condition. The V-berth is very well lit and has plenty of ventilation, as well as tons of storage underneath the bunk. Again, headliners in good to excellent condition. The V-berth head is located to port with a composting unit. All bilges have been kept very clean of debris and oils and sediments. Every single keel bolt, from bow to stern, has been replaced in 2017 and 2018. You can literally still read the writing on top of the bolt. While we're in the bilge, let's talk about Hi-Ho Silver. This 2009 Yanmar was installed in 2011 by Yanmar Tech, and I have all of the spec sheets. I've taken great pride in my shiny new engine over the years and worked very hard to keep her that way. Behind the engine, more clean bilges and a 2022 dripless seal. That's not all that's new. The entire rigging was replaced in 2017 and 18. There's also mast lights that are blue and white for functionality. But wait, there's more. Another adventure has a 2022 rudder as well. I don't know if you've ever seen the inside of a 40-year-old rudder post, but once you have, it's hard to feel confident sailing on it. Please take note that just outside of the ceiling of the post, it looked perfect. The only way to know is to go. And once we did, we completely rebuilt. All new stainless steel, all new full epoxy rudder, and the internals of the rudder are bonded on both sides. Powering all those solid bones, we have 855 watts of solar ran through all Victron energy controllers and battery monitoring systems to 370 amp hour battery bank. Not only will she make the water for you on purely 12 volt sun power alone, but she will chill it and or freeze it into ice cubes for you on one of the two 12 volt refrigeration units. Both units can freeze and refrigerate. On top of all the DC power, you have 1500 watts of pure sine wave AC inverted power. The CD player, backed up by an amplifier, sits above the AIS-capable VHF, which mirrors to your 741 touchscreen Garmin along with your fishfinder transducer, all piloted by a brand new 2022 CPT autopilot. All literature for every device installed on the boat has been saved and is on board for future reference. In the description of this video is a more itemized list of the equipment on board, and there are some things there that were not mentioned in this video. Please let me know if you have any other questions.